Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to trim video and combine video clips into one with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below and go to Video Editor. Step 2. Trim video. Click the Trim button and add the video that you want to edit. Move the mouse on the time slider, then click the Cut button when you want to cut the video. And you can delete clips as needed. If you want to merge the clips into one video, you can click Merge into One File button. After that, click the OK button to save the video. Step 3. Choose an output format. Open the Output Format menu. Go to the Video tab. Select your preferred output format. This time we choose MP4 with the same resolution. Have you found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free, or comment to tell us what you would like to know next.